In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the quality of your images using Photoshop's powerful upsizing tools. Whether you're using Photoshop's standard version or experimenting with its beta version, this step-by-step guide is designed to help you make the most of these features. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open the image you'd like to upscale in Photoshop. This can be any image where you'd like to enhance details, whether it's an old photograph or a digital piece of art that needs a bit of a boost. Loading your image into Photoshop sets the stage for all the magic to happen, so make sure you're ready to explore all the possibilities at your fingertips. Once your image is open, head over to the top menu bar. Here, you're going to look for the Image menu. Depending on your version of Photoshop, you'll find an option called Generative Upscale. If you're using an older version or it's labeled differently, here's an alternate route. Go to Filter, then choose Camera Raw Filter, and proceed to Enhance. You'll see the option for Super Resolution, which is what we're aiming for. This pathway might vary based on updates or specific versions, but generally, these are the terms and locations you should look out for. After selecting the appropriate option, a dialog box will appear. This is where you can start customizing your settings for the best results. The first choice you'll need to make is the upscale amount. You'll see options like 2x, 3x, or even 4x. Each increment represents how much larger your image will become. If you're unsure about which to choose, consider the final purpose of your image. Larger upscale amounts are great if you're planning to print the image or need a high-definition version, but they might take longer to process and consume more memory. While you're in the dialog box, you might notice additional settings for quality or noise reduction. If they're available, take advantage of these features. Choosing the right noise reduction option can make a world of difference, especially for images captured in low light or where graininess is a concern. These settings help refine the image against unwanted visual imperfections, allowing you to perfect every little detail. Once you're satisfied with the settings, go ahead and apply the upscale. Photoshop will handle the heavy lifting and produce a new document or a new layer with your enhanced image. Don't worry if it takes a bit of time. That's simply the software working its magic to ensure a crisp, high-quality result. And there you have it. You've successfully used Photoshop to upscale your image, unlocking new levels of detail and clarity. Whether you're sharing your work online, preparing it for print, or just practicing for personal growth, using these tools can significantly enhance your creativity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.